The cabin air filter in a 2017 GMC Acadia is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. This placement allows for easy access for replacement without needing any specialized tools. The filter housing is easily accessible and simple to open, making this maintenance task beginner-friendly. You'll typically only need your hands for this task. Some Acadias might have retaining clips or screws that require a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool. A flashlight will also be helpful to illuminate the work area. Wearing gloves is recommended to keep your hands clean. The average user can expect to replace their cabin filter with minimal tools, making it an easy process. First, ensure your vehicle is off and parked safely. Open the glove box. Locate the release latch or tabs that hold the glove box in place. Gently detach these to lower the glove box completely. You should now see the cabin air filter housing cover. Unclip or unscrew the cover to expose the old filter. Slide the old filter out, noting the direction of the airflow arrow printed on the side. Take your new cabin air filter. Align it with the correct airflow direction. The arrow on the filter should point towards the inside of the vehicle, usually downward or inward. Slide the new filter into the housing until it sits flush. Ensure it's properly seated to prevent rattling or air leaks. Consumer Reports found that stock GM filters and premium aftermarket filters capture 95 to 98% of particulates, making either a suitable replacement choice. Replace the filter housing cover and secure it with the clips or screws you removed earlier. Gently push the glove box back into its original position and reattach the release latches. Start your vehicle and turn on the AC system. Check for proper airflow and any unusual noises. You should notice an immediate improvement in air quality and system performance. GM recommends changing the cabin air filter every 12 to 15 months or 15,000 to 20,000 miles. If you drive in dusty conditions, more frequent changes may be necessary. Choose between OEM filters with GM part number 234588971, aftermarket options like K&N or Fram, or premium HEPA-like filters for enhanced allergen removal. Remember that DIY replacements are cost-effective, saving you $50 to $100 compared to dealership prices, according to GM's owner surveys. If you experience reduced airflow after replacement, double-check that the filter is installed correctly and the housing is sealed. Ensure the airflow arrow is pointing in the right direction. Experts at Edmunds and RepairPal rate this task as very easy. A clogged filter can increase fuel consumption by 2 to 5%, so regular replacement is a smart move. According to AAA, neglecting the cabin filter can lead to health issues and costly repairs, like a $200 repair bill from a clogged filter.